Jason Chapman here with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Behind me we have a 2018 G21 Super Air by Nautique. Looking at the outside of this boat, we've got a really pretty Mystic white, along with a tower that matches that color as well. Got a really big swim platform back here to hang out on or to get in and out of the water. We do have the NSS, NCRS, and Nautique surf pipe to shoot out all those emissions underneath the water. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome to the interior of this G21. Up here on the tower we have an upgraded stereo system as well as strapless board racks. Nice big entryway into the boat. Storage here on the starboard and port side underneath these hatches. Just come back down, click right into place. Sahara sand coloring and that mocha brown flooring. Plenty of storage throughout here. Right here, pop this seat up. Got storage underneath here and here on these hinges so your seats aren't flying all over the place. Got plenty of cup holders, JL audio speakers all around. The race car inspired helm seat here. Beautiful display, helps with all your controls with the wake surf and to adjust that as high or low as you want it. And also a mirror to see behind you what's going on. On those cold days here in Minnesota, we've got a windshield, pops over, it latches into place, and you've got plenty of high coverage right here as well. More cup holders all the way around here. Storage here in this compartment and right here. And you've got two armrests that pop up into place. Guys, come down to our location here in Rogers, Minnesota and check out this 2018 G21 by Nautique. Thanks.